What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Jasmy. Wanted to do a bit of an update on Jasmy here today, and just in general after the last couple of days, because Jasmy, I'm not sure when we covered this last. I think on Monday, if I'm not mistaken. But back then, I already told you that I did think Jasmy would be bullish. But Jasmy over the last couple of days, not necessarily today, as you can see, we're dropping down a bit. But Jasmy over the last couple of days has been outperforming the market quite a bit. I mean, if you zoom out all the way here, so this is the altcoin market basically. We have to zoom out quite a bit, as you can see. But yeah, so here you can see, if we take a look at the last 2.5 days, I think Jasmy has actually been one of the strongest performers. And that's also reflected in the chart, I think. Excuse me, this is looking like a very messy chart, as you can see. But no, I think that's reflected in the chart as well. We had some momentum come back in, some healthy momentum as well. I mean, if you compare this to the open interest we had and to the leverage that went into the price during this bull run, this is much more healthy and sustainable. And you can also see we've actually lost quite a lot of that leverage already, while the price is still holding on fine. So I'm still bullish on Jasmy here. And I still think the situation is very similar as what we talked about last video, because what I said last video, and I think that is the most important thing you need to realize, is that if you zoom all the way out here to the weekly time frame, this is extremely bullish, right? We've been able to defend this level around 3 cents. Let's keep it easy and say that that's the main support level, which it's part of it, but technically the main support level is kind of between 3.3 cents and then 2.85 cents. All right, that's the main support level. And here on the weekly time frame, on the three-day time frame, we've been able to respect that very nicely, and it was defended with a lot of volume. So therefore, purely structurally, if we zoom out here, I think Jasmy is bullish. Now, if we take that into consideration in combination with the market circumstances right now, what I would say is that, well, this is great, all right? So that we're actually holding a strong support level, but it's unlikely that we're going to really rally, right? Because if Jasmy wants to rally here, we'd need to break above this level between 4 cents and 4.3 cents, and Bitcoin is not that strong. The Bitcoin dominance is not that weak, which a weaker Bitcoin dominance would be better for Jasmy. And even though the leverage we gained over the last couple of days is nice and healthy, if we actually really wanted to break above 4 and 4.2 cents, we'd need more of that as well. So structurally, I'm bullish, and I think Jasmy is going to break out eventually. But the main question is as well, can we actually break out now? And I think the answer to that is no. All right, we would need, first of all, more open interest, like I said. Second of all, I think the markets in general would need to be a little bit more bullish. And then specifically for Jasmy as well, we'd need to have more volume. All right, the only way we can actually get a breakout like that is with, well, looking at the volume, at least like $500 million in volume. Right, so as long as we don't have that, we won't break out. I think eventually we will have that, but for now, excuse me, for now I think it's more likely that we will respect the resistance, and that will form a nice consolidation here between 3 cents and 4.2 cents. And that's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.